Imagine a home so futuristic. It was nicknamed the House of Tomorrow, and it's right here in Palm Springs. Designed by architect William Crystal in 1960, this iconic home was built for Robert and Helene Alexander of the Alexander Construction Company. It is a visionary design and captures the imagination of the mid-century modern era. But the real star moment came in 1966, when Elvis and Priscilla Presley honeymooned here after their Las Vegas wedding. Today, the house remains a symbol of the golden age of Palm Springs. What if you could paint a piece of Palm Springs history? That is exactly what locals and visitors had the opportunity to do with the Greetings mural. Created in 2019, during the La Quinta Arts Festival, artist Peter Tigler invited the community to collaborate on this vibrant piece. The mural features classic Palm Springs imagery, from lush desert landscapes to vintage poolside scenes, all wrapped in bold postcard-style lettering. On the lookout for top-notch eats in Palm Springs? Let me share this hidden gem. Nestled in downtown Palm Springs, Happy Sushi is a cozy spot that serves an impressive variety of sushi rolls, sashimi, ramen, poke bowls, and so much more, all made with the freshest ingredients. It is my personal favorite. For an unbeatable combination of delicious food and affordable prices, trust me, you will leave happy. This bronze statue of Sonny Bono was installed in 2001. It celebrates the singer, actor, and former mayor who revitalized Palm Springs. Sculpted by Emanuel Snitkovsky. Step back in time to 1936, when Palm Springs rolled out the red carpet for Hollywood stars at the Plaza Theater. Designed in the Spanish colonial revival style, the Plaza Theater opened with the premiere of Camille, starring Greta Garbo. Over the decades, it has hosted world premieres and iconic performances by stars like Jack Benny and Bob Hope. After years of decline, restoration efforts are underway, and the theater is set to reopen in 2025. The chairman of the Lynx statue was created by Jeffrey Alden Fowler in 2003 to honor Thomas A. O'Donnell's contributions to the sport of golf. Depicting a golfer in vintage attire, it celebrates the creation of Palm Springs' first golf course in 1927. Thanks to O'Donnell, Palm Springs is now home to over 125 golf courses, making it a world-class destination for the sport of golf. Who doesn't love Lucy? In Palm Springs, you can share a seat with the comedy queen herself. This bronze bench statue was created in 1995 by Emanuel and Janet Snitkovsky. It depicts Lucille Ball seated in a welcoming pose, inviting fans to sit beside her and relive the joy she brought to generations. Towering 26 feet above downtown Palm Springs, the Forever Maryland statue is impossible to miss. Created by artist Seward Johnson in 2011, this sculpture captures the iconic moment from the movie The 7-Year Itch. Initially displayed in Chicago, the statue has traveled to several locations, including New Jersey, Australia, and Connecticut, before finally finding a home in Palm Springs.
This video is sponsored by Win Consulting Solutions. Are disorganized finances holding you back? Do not risk costly errors, penalties, or missed opportunities. We organize and correct records, ensuring clarity and compliance, while our catch-up bookkeeping gets you back on track. Avoid tax season stress with accurate filings, year-round maintenance, and maximized deductions. Our streamlined document management and tailored reports empower smarter decisions. Focus on your passion. We will handle the numbers. Take control today.